Watch that dial.
Oh, welcome back. Our next guests are really going to blow your mind. With only their voices, they've created musical landscapes that are electrifying audiences nationwide. They mix funk with rock and hip-hop and even a little opera. That's why they can truly be called Mosaic.
Now, you can catch them at the Turning Stone this weekend, but right now they're right here in our connected studios. Here is Mosaic.
Looking at the devil, yelling up, pointing at his gun, yelling up, fingers start shaking, yelling up, I began to run, hey, hey, yelling up, bullets start chasing, I began to stop, yelling up, we began to wrestle, yeah, yeah, yelling up, I was on the top, hey, I want to thank you for letting me be myself again, hey, hey, I want to thank you for letting me be myself again, hey, 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 yeah, break it down, break it down. Vivid eyes of people's fears burning into you. Many men are missing much, hating what they do. You're the truth I'm making loud, dig it for the start. Dying young is hard to take, selling out is harder. Thank you, India. Thank you, Providence. Thank you, disillusion. Thank you, nothingness. Thank you, clarity. Thank you, silence. Yeah. I want to thank you for letting me be myself again. I want to thank you for letting me be myself. Yeah. Everybody sing it, baby. Thank you for letting me be myself. Be myself, yeah. You're a part of a freedom nation. I want to thank you for letting me be myself. Hey, yeah, yeah. You're a part of a freedom nation. I want to thank you.
Oh,
man.
very nice, you guys.
Mosaic.
You all look like you are having the best time.
Oh, that's incredible.
We hate it.
Yeah.
We hate it every second
There's
of
worse
that.
things to do. That's great.
Now, who's the arranger? Who's the arranger in the whole group?
There are two arrangers in the group,
Okay.
Troy, and we are actually sans one gentleman right now.
Oh,
His
okay.
son just went into the hospital, so
Oh, geez, I hope everything's
we
okay.
are minus Josh, but he is also another arranger. of the
Now, are
group.
you all from the same place, or how did you get together like this?
We actually met. We were all in Orlando singing at either Disney or Universal,
Okay.
and we met there. The entertainment community is kind of small. And we decided to put our own group together, but we're from all over, from California to Kentucky to New York and New Jersey and every place in between.
Right,
Wow.
You've had huge success. Now you won on MTV's
Pop Top Group. I'm looking at all your
Group,
accolades
right?
here. Voted #1 in the CBS Early Show Vocal Group by Boys to Men.
Nice.
Love that. And you were also on America's Got Talent. So
Yes, yes we were.
That's amazing. What has been your best experience so far? Actually, other than Ted and Amy, what has been your
And the
best
Turning Stone.
experience so
Right.
far?
For me personally, I would say Prince, performing with Prince.
Oh,
Oh
cool.
my goodness.
We've had the opportunity on 4 separate occasions to perform with Prince, and it has been mind-blowing every time.
I can imagine.
I've seen
That's
his
awesome.
pants on display at the Hard Rock Cafe. He's just a little guy.
Oh no, tiny. He is so tiny, but he has more soul and funk in his little finger
Wow.
than most humans do. In their
Speaking
entire
of funk
body.
now, when you sit down and go over a new song, who goes, I can do a wah-wah guitar, and I can do I'm a wicked hi-hat. I mean, how does that
Talk
work?
to Troy about that
Yeah?
one. He's one of our arrangers. It's-
You know what's funny? I think all of us grew up making strange noises.
I was going to say, I used to
I
get
was
yelled
gonna
at the
say,
dinner
yeah.
table for doing that.
Stop that wah-wah guitar! You're thinking ahead. I'm going to use this.
Never knew we'd be making a living doing this.
Yeah, I tell people sometimes that I spit for a living. I do a lot of drumming.
To explain it.
But
Oh,
like,
very
do you,
cool.
when you arrange, do
Yeah,
you
I
have
absolutely
somebody
think-
in mind for like I could do this?
It's
thing?
taken a little time to get to know everyone's voices, but I know
Right.
Sean
Right.
makes a great, ridiculously realistic sounding guitar sounds.
Oh, that's
Wow,
funny.
well, this song can really use that. Let's put him there.
Well, very
you know,
cool.
And then with all the rest of the sounds. From,
Oh, well, we're honored to have you guys
We really
here,
are.
and I'm sure you're going to have a great time at the Turning Stone.
Well, we did.
Excellent
We've
venue.
been there before. It's
Oh,
beautiful.
Wonderful.
Yeah.
Yeah, you're going to be, okay, Friday night you're going to be at the Top
Top Talent
Top
USA.
Talent USA. It's 8 o'clock at Friday night in the showroom at Turning Stone. And then we invite everybody over to Lava later on. And then Saturday
Crazy
night.
guys.
Yeah, Lava's
Lava's
great.
nuts.
Lava is a Las Vegas caliber club in Verona, New York.
Yeah.
It is awesome. It's an amazing club. And then Saturday night between 9 and 10 p.m. we have a VIP performance. A lot of the different acts from Top Talent USA, including ourselves, we're going to be going and doing little vignettes of what we did in the show. And I think it's $10 a person or $15 a couple to
All
come
that
on in.
talent.
Yeah.
Great
You
entertainment.
guys, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That's
Oh,
a
it's
lot
our
of
pleasure.
fun.
Again,
All right.
you can hear, as we mentioned, more from these amazing artists this weekend at Turning Stone. Don't wait, get your tickets now. www.turningstone.com for more information about Mosaic and all their Top Talent USA performers this season.
That's right, and all their upcoming dates, because they
Yeah.
have a bunch of them. And if you'd like more information on their upcoming dates, you can go to notaboyband.com.
There you go. That's it for us tonight on WCNY Connected. We want to hear from you. Send us your emails, WCNYconnected@WCNY.org, with any questions, comments, events that you want to share. And hey, if you haven't checked us out on YouTube yet, you can relive some of the best guests and musical artists 24/7 on our exclusive YouTube channel, youtube.com/WCNY Connected.
All right, next week, Chef Julie Sagir returns.
Julie Tabbouleh.
To demonstrate how to prepare some spicy new dishes. Sorry, guys, you missed her. She's spicy as well for the springtime season. And we clear the floor and stand up for the bass for one of the region's most popular bluegrass bands,
Wow.
Diamond Someday.
Yeah, there's certainly, definitely Bill Noten will approve, that's for sure. WCNY has got you connected. We're going to leave you now with more of the sensational sounds of Mosaic. Have a great night.
Thanks so much for watching.
I see trees of green, red roses too. I see them bloom from me to you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah, yeah. I see skies of blue, clouds of white, the bright blessed day, the dark sacred night, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends holding hands, saying, how do you do? Well, they're really saying, I love you. I see babies cry, I watch them grow. They'll learn much more than we'll ever know. And I think to myself, what a wonderful world. I think to myself, what a wonderful world. Yeah, oh yeah. The colors of the rainbow, so pretty in the sky. Also on the faces of the people passing by. I see friends holding hands, saying, how do you do? Well, they're really saying, I love you. Whoa, 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 yeah. What a wonderful world this would be. Yeah. What a wonderful world. Whoa, whoa, yeah. A wonderful world. Whoa, yeah. What a wonderful world this would be. 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 Yeah. What a wonderful world. Oh, won't you think about all of the possibilities? What a wonderful world this would be. Yeah. Oh, what a wonderful, wonderful world. What a wonderful world. Yeah.
Check out WCNY Connected with us, Ted and Amy.
Thursday nights at 9 on WCNY.